In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change currency in Namecheap quickly and easily on a desktop. This is a simple but very useful setting if you want to see prices in your local currency while browsing domains, hosting, or other services on Namecheap. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get right into it. First, log into your Namecheap account using a desktop browser. Once you're signed in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. That's where you'll usually see the current currency displayed, such as USD. This is the area where Namecheap lets you switch between different currencies depending on your preference. Now, move your mouse over the currency option. When you hover over it, Namecheap should display a list of available currencies. From there, simply select the one you want to use. For example, you might switch from USD to EUR, GBP, AUD, or another supported currency. As soon as you click your preferred option, the currency will change automatically across the site. You do not need to refresh anything or go through extra settings menus. It's that simple. This can make it much easier to compare prices and understand exactly how much you'll be paying before checkout. If you ever want to change it again later, just repeat the same steps and choose a different currency from the list. So to recap, log into Namecheap, go to the top right corner, hover over the currency, and select your preferred option. That's all there is to it. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.